Hi, my name is Lauren Franklin. It is April 4th, 2022, and these are my notes of things I have to identify. So today we are dissecting a sheep kidney. Well, I've already dissected it, but I actually am pretty excited about this one. It is, I don't know, cool to see this up close and see what it looks like. So put it back together for a second. Here's the kidney, okay? This is the superior portion of the kidney, inferior portion of the kidney. And we have, you can almost see this white outer layer around it. This is the fibrous capsule that was surrounding it. But we're going to open it, like I dissected it. Okay. So this is our inside kidney. So this is where the fun happens. This gray part right here, this is our adrenal cortex. And once it starts to turn pink, this is when we get into our adrenal medulla. And notice how each of these adrenal medullas are almost arranged in these like flower-like shapes that I'm tracing out with my knife. These are the renal pyramids, so that's where the magic happens for filtration systems. In between the renal pyramids is this area right through here. Again, I'm tracing it with the tip of my knife. Those are our renal columns. It's made up of this kind of connective cortex tissue, but the renal columns is what connects or contains the interlobar veins and arteries, which again help with the filtration process and filtration system. Now, in these renal pyramids, they have to empty the urine out into somewhere after it's gone through these loops of filtration. And so at the bottom of the renal pyramids, we're going to connect to a minor callus. And then the minor callus is going to filter into a major callus, which would be about right here. They're hard to see. And then the major calluses are going to filter into the renal pelvis, which is about right here. Now, oh, sorry, screen went dark. Hilum is all this area right through here. It's a circular area right there. That would be the hilum of the kidney. This area right up here with the tip of my knife, that is the renal sinus. So you can kind of see it's the space where we don't have this fatty tissue or we don't have any cortex or medulla, and that is going to contain some areas of some important veins and arteries and lymphatic vessels and blood vessels. Did I miss anything? Talked about renal columns, pyramids, medulla, cortex, sinus, hilum, calcium, renal pelvis. Oh, and then this guy right here, this is, obviously this is a bit of fat through here, but then we also see the superior portion of the ureter. So the ureter is what would, have the final bits of urine, connects to the urinary tubes and, eventually filter down into your, I forget the word right now, but pelvis. Anyways, so in a nutshell, this is our kidney, our very cool looking kidney. And that is all I have for us today. So again, my name is Lauren Franklin, and that is a dissection of a sheep kidney. See you next time. Thank you.